Sweet Ellie, a tribute to family, craftsmanship, and grit. When David Dekorver of Fort Walton Beach, Florida, got the call from his grandmother to build a truck and name it Sweet Ellie, he knew it wasn't just about wrenching on another ride, this was about family. Fast forward 7 years and $65,000 later, David's 1987 Chevrolet R30 isn't just a truck. It's a rolling work of art that packs a punch and turns heads wherever it goes. The first thing you notice about Sweet Ellie is its killer two-tone paint job. The red dubbed Ellie's Passion Pearl was custom mixed, and it pops against the Galaxy White Pearl accents. Sprayed to perfection by Nate Dixon out of Fort Walton Beach, this paint job could win awards on its own. James Ellis from Hybrid Images took it a step further with airbrushed moldings and wheel lips that give the truck a handcrafted edge. Up front, the stock grille got the boot and was replaced with a CarriageWorks Phantom billet grille that's all business. Hidden behind it is a '57 Chevy Bel Air grille, a nod to classic Chevy style. The bumpers? Gone. Instead, there's a custom roll pan up front and a Bob Grant 3-piece roll pan out back. The whole body has been smoothed, de-seamed, and modified to a level that makes most builders throw in the towel. From the widened and stretched rear fenders to the raised wood bed floor with stripes. Every inch of this truck screams attention to detail. Sweet Ellie sits slam thanks to a stock floor body drop, with the pinch welds completely removed. David's custom square tube frame runs from nose to tail and works with airlift 3P management, flow tanks, and by air compressors to keep the truck riding smooth and low. Rolling stock consists of 22-inch American force wheels with floating center caps that tie the whole look together. Those wide fenders? Yeah, they're not just for show, they perfectly hug the American forces, making the stance next level clean. Under that smoothed hood is where old school muscle meets modern reliability. The stock big block 454 was torn down, resealed and painted, keeping its heart pure Chevy. Feeding the beast is a Holley 600 carb and Sanderson block hugger headers, while a 1950 Cadillac air cleaner adds a touch of vintage class. Backed by a TH400 trans, this truck can still flex when it needs to. It's not about going fast, though Sweet Ellie is built to cruise, and she does it with style. Inside, the vibe is equal parts classic and custom. David swapped in a 67C10 dash fitted with Dakota digital gauges, giving it a timeless look with modern functionality. The distressed leather and cloth interior, stitched up by Gary's Upholstery, feels like your favorite pair of work boots, rugged but comfortable. Behind the rear seat, David didn't just toss in some subs, he built custom suitcases to house dual 12-inch Sony woofers. The whole setup is tied together with a Sony head unit that delivers crisp tunes for those long Florida cruises. David, a collision tech by trade and a proud member of the Negative Camber Club, built Sweet Ellie at home. Every late night, busted knuckles and beer-fueled brainstorming sessions paid off. His wife, Kim, stood by his side through the 7-year journey, proving this build was a family affair. From the Mercedes cab repeaters to the sunken tag box on the tailgate, Sweet Ellie's loaded with details that tell a story. David's grandmother would be proud. Sweet Ellie isn't just a tribute, it's a reminder of what happens when you mix hard work, passion, and a whole lot of love. This truck's not just cruising Florida streets, it's living proof that family and craftsmanship never go out of style.